Alright, so it's starting to snow. It's coming now. It's after 12. They said it was going to start around 12. After 12, and yep, here it is. But it's not sticking yet because it's not that cold out. It's pretty warm. So, yeah. So there's an update on the snow. Doesn't look that bad yet. Just give it time. It's brewing. I think it's brewing. Alright, so that's it. Not too bad. But if I were you, just stay in the house. Don't come out. Especially after 3, it's going to get really bad. Really, really bad. And then it's going to drop by 6 o'clock. So if you don't have to go out, don't go out. Maybe I'll be able to go home early. Crossing fingers. It is winter, but that cold is scary. It's supposed to be 30 below. Not so much the snow, but that cold. They say you could get frostbite in 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, bye. Video later when I get out. Bye.